All right, guys, starting off the day here, we've got Al, one box Goodwin Champions. Good luck, buddy. Hope everybody had a very nice weekend. Got to watch some British Open golf. All right, and we're off. See that Ben Simmons autograph. Phil Mack. LeBron James. Yeah, it's got a little bit of everything in it. Including, wow, we just hit ISIS. I'm not sure to be happy about that or what. Hit the is. Just leave that one alone. Justin Thomas, canvas. Might be illegal for me to have that. Oh, that's pretty sick hit right there. The Dominator, Dominic Hasek. Beauty signatures. Nice, man. Troy Merritt. Memorabilia. MJ. Davy Crockett. Kevin Harvick, gold mini. John Havlicek, gold mini. Peace. Big hit coming. Troy Merritt. LeBron James. And our final pack. Amanda Binkson. Gold mini. Alright, nice hit on the Dominator, buddy. I appreciate it. I'll get it packed up and out ASAP.